Mr. Fish, nice to have you with us. When Amano talks about creating hardscape by dropping rocks and branches indiscriminately into a tank, all he really is saying is that what occurs naturally, accidentally, if you will, what occurs incidentally, is very much a part of what is nature and what is natural, as is anything you might do with great design or fortitude or insight or aesthetic sensibility. It's all part of the same thing. It's all part of what occurs naturally. So, as you seek to create your natural environment, begin by taking a very deep breath, letting it go, and then breathe deeply and slowly, and act with grace and love and affection as you put together all of the components of this wonderful little box of life you're about to create. And in so doing, you will become part of a wonder, part of a miracle, part of something that is happening in front of you, that you're a part of, and that is very much an expression of who you are, but also an expression of everything else that goes into it. A miracle. It is a miracle. One to be celebrated, one to be enjoyed, one to be delighted in, and one that brings a warmth and a depth of life. Thanks for plugging in and watching and being a part of this channel and this series of videos. Found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice to have you with us. Come on back.